In this video, we're going to take a look at a cool feature only available in Teslas, and that is because a Tesla has its own cell phone service, and you can connect directly to your Tesla car with the Tesla app, which will give you the ability to know exactly where your car is and the status of the car. Is it moving? Is it parked? Are any doors unlocked? Are any doors open? What about the windows? And more. Hi, this is Justin from Simply Smart, where we make smart home technology as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're interested in smart home technology, consider subscribing for more content like this. Also check out the video description for the 3 simple steps to start building your ultimate smart home. Like I said, in this video, we are just going to be looking at the Tesla app and what you can do with your car when your car is nowhere near you. So right now, I'm actually getting directions to my car, and I'm actually at work, and my car is getting a ceramic coating all the way down at the beach. So we are pretty far away from my car, about 42 minutes away driving. But this is just a really cool feature. So say basically you park somewhere, you forgot where your car was, you can just open the Tesla app and get directions to your car, walking, or any other method. It will show you where it's located, and then you'll be able to find your car. So you can never really lose your car unless you don't have internet on your phone or your car does not have internet. As long as they are both connected to the internet, you can have this feature and easily be able to locate your car. All right, and then also back in the app, you can see the location. That's going to tell you the location. Once you tap on that, it's going to take you to the location. So in this case, my wife is actually getting groceries at Kroger. So I can tap on the world icon at the top right corner. It will change it to be an aerial map, and you can kind of see that she is parked there in the parking lot. If you tap on the right arrow at the bottom of the screen, you can get directions, and we're about 12 minutes away from the grocery store from home. All right, now if we go back over to the app, we can kind of look at what's going on. All right, now you can see that the car is still parked, but the front is open and the trunk is open as well, and the doors are unlocked. So basically what's happening now is she has come out from the grocery store and she is loading up the front and the trunk with groceries. Also note, you can see the climate on the inside of the car. So right now it's at 71 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going up because, the hot air is coming into the car. But we did turn on the climate control just by going into the app and tapping on it before she came out to the car. That way when she came out, it would be nice and cool. All right, now you can see the front is now closed and the trunk is now closed as well. All right, and now you can see the door is now open and the climate control is on as well because the fan icon is gray. And now the driver's side door is shut. Well, she says, "I am driving." So now you can see on the app it says driving, and that just means that she's no longer in park. And now she is just backing out probably, and then she would be going out to the main road to drive home. So now if we go down and tap on location, we can go back to the map, and now we can actually see the car moving on the map. And at the very bottom, you can see the speed at which she is moving. So she's coming up to a stop sign there, almost came to a complete stop, 2 miles per hour. And now she is taking a left. And if we zoom out a little bit, we can see that she is going to be taking a right here on 501. And then she's going to get into that acceleration lane and accelerate pretty good here. So we're all the way up to almost 70 miles per hour. So if we zoom out, you can see the car is moving. And if we zoom out a little bit more, you kind of see the big picture of where she is located. And this would be really handy, say if she had a car problem, maybe a flat tire or something. I could just open the app and go directly to her location. I would know exactly where she is. Even if she doesn't know where she is, the car knows where it is located. And you can see she's slowing down quite a bit here. Probably there's a bit of a traffic backup there. And then she has gotten over into the right lane, and now she will be taking a right coming up here. You can also change the view of the map as well. If you don't like the aerial view, you can turn that off. All right, now she's taking a right here, and she is on the way home. So as you can see, this is a very useful feature if you need to know where your car is, how fast your car is going, the status of anything in your car. This is a very handy feature to have. That's why I just love Tesla. They have the best technology. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Also check out the other videos on the screen now, and I will see you in the next video.